So we are at Wachirathan Waterfall. Look at that babe. Oh, the biggest one I've seen so far. Most beautiful one. Oh. Hey guys, so now it's 6:45 p.m. Oh, sorry, both of them. Yeah. So now it's like 6:45 and we're going for dinner. Look at the skies above. Pretty nice. Wow. And we're gonna walk towards that direction to our Mookata place. And the weather's pretty chilly. Not really very chill, but pretty okay. Not very windy, but there's still some wind. And I'm just gonna walk along the streets to our place for now without mask until we reach there. Yeah, and let's enjoy the process. Hopefully the Mookata is good and we're gonna meet some friends there too. Alright guys, so we are at Chang Phueak Mookata and we have met up with our contacts here. Yep, and we are currently number 32. So we need to wait probably 4 more people. Then we can get ready to eat. You can see over here is the golden plate. Yeah. Alright, so we finally got our table after around 1 hour wait. What it? Alright, so there's a cabbage. These are the sauces that I need to take later. Some noodles. All the meat, beef, chicken, pork, some seafood. Oh, and the drinks. So it's all for 199 baht. Chocolate, ice cream. Oh, this good stuff. 5-man whack. Let's go. Hey guys, good afternoon. So this is the day when after Mookata and I'm feeling pretty bloated. I would say the Mookata was nice. The meal was free flow, ice cream, the drinks, so it was good. And so now we are gonna eat lunch and it's pretty hot. Yeah, I feel like I could get suntan or sunburn if I don't put any lotion walking out. Other than that, the roads are pretty good, pretty busy and still a bit of haze. So we're gonna visit this place. Let's see, curry pot, Indian fusion cuisine. Ooh, the vibes here, the curry pot, Indian fusion cuisine. Look at this chicken biryani, 89 baht. Look at this curry chicken with turmeric rice. He seems like he's okay with it. Yeah, he said, ooh, how do you like your chicken? Eat it and try it.
You think about you take a photo, man?
No, I'm not gonna take a photo. I'm gonna take a video. Hey guys, so we're going to Mueang Mall. It looks pretty huge. And now it's like around 5 o'clock here. Pretty windy. Not as hot as the afternoon. And we're gonna explore the mall. Yeah. Going in. Back up. Oh, even have a dude saluting us. Yeah, put on the hand sanitizer. He opened the door for us. Wow, wow! Some dragon. Everything comes to life now. As many people as I would expect it to have. But still, oh, koi! What? There's a koi here? Whoa. So many interesting stuff. But we're here for food and for luggages. Yeah. Wow, look like a mini ice Satan here. Yeah. Ooh, Songkran Festival, which is happening 8 to 17 April. and you get to have some discount. $7.99 for that. H&M. Where you at? I can't see you. H&M. This one. Out there. Yeah. Which is pretty if I say so myself, comparing to other stuff here. The men's section, 149 baht for this good looking stuff. Woo woo!
Inside also.
What a steal. Inside got many more stuff, but I'm just gonna stay outside. Lace to go in. Wow, 500. I don't know. Not bad, not bad. So we are currently at the Mueang kitchen. I'm eating pork basil rice with egg. He's eating his thingy rice noodle with beef. Yeah, he says good. How about you? Yeah, and it smelled, man.
Alright. My beef, basil, rice.
Nice. And it's around 50 baht. For mine, 65 for the plus the egg. Kaew, 10 baht. So it's 65 too. But they gave us discount. Whoop whoop. How's your noodle? He said not bad. How's the food? Look at this. Pork leg. Rice 50 baht. How can Thai people eat so little? I ate this and I'm still hungry. See, I demolished it except that one piece of chili there I'm not gonna eat. Gonna eat another one. Whoop whoop. Hey guys, good morning. So this, I don't know what day is it, but we are going to extend our tourist visa. So we're at Chiang Mai immigration and there seems to already have a queue. We're gonna see how is the process like early in the morning. Yep, and I'll let you know. So after walking into the tent, of course you want to extend. So we need to get this form, then next form, third form, and because we're gonna extend 30 days, TM7, the acknowledge form, first page of passport, TM6 entry stamp, visa, photo, SDV. So we need to show them everything, and there's a huge queue right there. So we are just behind the building. We need to photocopy our stuff of our passport, our full passport. Oh, need to, oh sorry, passport, photocopy stuff. And I guess since we are like kind of done with all of this and we printed out our TM6, we just need to wait. And the time here says 9:32. Right now it's like what, 9:11. And the number that was called was like 46, so still more to go. Right, so my number was called and they gave me number 50, and now we're gonna queue all the way in.
So you're going to get one?
Hopefully can get this quick. Now it's already what, 9 something, close to 10. I go. So 1 hour plus later, I'm finally done. Got my visa extension. Just need to pay this money. Pass the stuff to the people at the counter, take a picture, and we good. Yeah, so now just gotta wait for the rest. Alright, so we're done with immigration and we just needed to go to the counter. Sadly couldn't take any photos. We just paid like 1,900 baht to extend for another 30 days. We took around 3 hours to complete everything. I think it'll be better if you could like print out everything that you need and then you go there, it'll be done in like 15 minutes. Yeah. So that's all. And now we are in Chiang Mai University. Looking very good. Sorry. Alright, so I've ordered chicken, black pepper chicken from that stall. Canteen in CMU. Let's explore. Woo. Maybe there's other food around here. I don't know. Nice, very quick. Very quick. Oh. Yeah. Would I say cheaper? I think it's okay. Alright, so we're gonna try the black pepper chicken steak. Yes. Yeah. Ooh, the black pepper packs a punch. And the rest, the lettuce and the toast bread, I think is okay. How about your food?
Nice. Yeah, this doesn't good. Because fit this cup. They put it here.
Yeah, boy, 35 baht. 35. Whoa. How about yours?
Not bad.
Yeah, seeing how he's gonna finish it, yeah, I think it's not bad. So we're just walking around the school to find the office now. Pretty quiet here. Looks like everybody's here, but I don't know where they are. Probably working or something. Alright, so this university is quite big. We just came out of the office. The people were really nice, answered questions and clarified some doubts. Look at this dinosaur here, so cute! Yeah, probably we'll see in Jurassic Fantasy. Hey baby. So we're just gonna walk along this place. Dinosaur Singh. What is your surname? Singh. Yep. Just gonna walk around. And today's temperature seems pretty hot. Maybe it's like what, 30 degrees Celsius? Even the insects and birds are making noises up there. It's like hot! Hot! How siêu. Yeah. Yeah. So it's hot! Comment down below if you have any questions about immigration, and I'll do my best to help you. Because when I was there, I had issues too. But I had help, so I will help you.
Hey, seems like you have made it to the very end. You are the real MVP and I appreciate you. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And let's try to get this channel to 100 subs. And if you can, please do share with your friends and your family.